Hey, Tyrel with Lake Marine and Power Sports, and today we've got a new boat. Just arrived here to the dealership a week or so ago. We've had it out on the water. Now it's time to get some pictures here to go on the website. 2025 Chaparral 287 SSX. This is the blackout edition boat. Black with Cayenne interior with the Cayenne sea deck on the boat. Of course, on the back of this boat, you're gonna get the infinity step. Super nice, everybody really likes this. Swim right up to the back of the boat, crawl right on, you're ready to roll. We're gonna hop on board and show you some of the features inside the boat. So hopping on board the Chaparral 287 SSX, as you come up the infinity step, you're gonna see the nice large flip lounge right there. Flip it back and forth. Coming on into the cockpit, nice L-shaped lounge seating so everybody's comfortable getting to the destination. Then coming on over into more of the helm area, here on the passenger side, you're gonna have a spacious head, plenty of room down in there for those on-water emergencies. Both captains and passenger seats are flip-up bolster seating. Moving over to the helm station here, you are gonna get twin Simrad screens, upgraded JL audio system, pretty much everything you need. I think this boat is loaded out. Moving into the bow area, you're gonna have a nice spacious deep bow armrest there so you can sit up there comfortably. On the nose of the boat, you're gonna have windlass, so no more pulling that rope in. You can just hit a button and retrieve your anchor. Electric power folding hardtop. Boat is loaded up. This boat's going live on our website today, so if you're interested in this boat, got any questions about it, or anything else from Chaparral or Robalo, reach out, give us a call. We've got boats in stock, we've got build spots, so we can definitely get you what you're looking for. Give us a call, 606-677-0939, Lake Marine and Power Sports. Choose your own adventure.